Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Gus and Karla here. We are your North Dallas realtors. Guys, we are here. We are here in the community, brand new community of Mosaic here in the city of Celina. Guys, this is a master plan community going up right here in the city of Celina, Texas with Prosper ISD. So you won't want to miss this walkthrough, guys. We're going to be walking this model home of a Highland home, 40-foot floor plan. You won't want to miss this. Stick around.
Okay guys, so this floor plan is called the Worthington, and it is a beautiful floor plan. You have a couple of options with this. So it starts at like 2,300 square feet. You can do, I believe it's a 3 to 5 bedroom and then 2 to 4 bathroom. So it's a 2-story, yep, lots of flexibility with this floor plan. And it's gorgeous. It definitely has a lot of space. You do get a secondary bedroom downstairs. So I know that's important for some people with either little ones or mother-in-laws. So that's a great plus. Yeah. And it's a super functional. You got high ceilings, and obviously it's the model, so they've decorated it very nicely.
Yeah, it's very nice inside. Obviously, they always do a great job with the finishes, upgrades, staging of their model homes. So guys, before we continue, do us a favor, would you hit that like button, subscribe button if you haven't done so, and that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all of our content, all of our videos that we post each and every week. We do walkthroughs like this of model homes, inventory homes, new communities around here in the North Dallas area. So make sure to do that. We really do appreciate it. And it continues to motivate us to do more videos like this for you guys. So guys, a little bit more about the community. Again, this is a master plan community, brand new, lots of activity going on here in this community in the city of Celina, as this is a Prosper ISD community. Okay, so keep that in mind, even though we are in Celina. Correct. It borders Prosper and does have Prosper ISD, which is very important to many of our viewers actually. Yes. Right, so there's gonna be a lot of activity going on here in this community. Amenity centers, pools with lazy rivers, fitness centers, walking trails, bike trails, the works, right? In this master plan community. Yeah, and of course it's a Highland home, so if you guys follow our videos, you know that we love Highland. Yeah, they're a great builder. Now this particular one, like you said, it sits on a 40-foot lot, you guys, so it is a back entry garage. Right, but so keep that in mind. All of that said, you're coming in at a great price for a Highland home. Are we talking about price? Yes, so this particular floor plan that we're gonna take you into starts at, what did you say?
660, roughly between 660, 662. Now, keep in mind, the more upgrades you add to it, it goes up from there. But also, they do have inventory homes, and you can get a great deal on an inventory home. They do. Again, you are in Celina with Prosper ISD, and this is a Highland home, you guys. So you are getting a great deal, a really good quality builder, you know, and you're getting the Prosper ISD. So you're definitely coming in winning on all ends. Yeah, so right now, guys, just so you know, they are offering $20,000 for your closing costs right now in the month. We're in the month of May 2024, right? So they're offering $20,000 for your closing costs. So that is a huge help if you need to buy down that rate. Take advantage of it. And listen, we help many buyers get into their dream homes here in this area, right? So we love to help them out as much as we can. So we would love to represent you as well if you're looking to move into this area. Let's connect. So our information will always be up here, guys. You can text us, you can call us, and we would love to answer any questions that you may have. Yes, quick side note, you guys, because we have gotten some calls lately from people that are looking to purchase, and unfortunately they go directly to the builder before coming through us. Yeah. And the builder unfortunately doesn't let us work with clients after they have already, you know, spoken and met up and whatever. So if you are looking to be represented and you do want a realtor on your behalf fighting for you and doing all the things that they should be doing for you, then you definitely want to contact us first. Yeah. Or contact any realtor first. If that's your goal, is working with a realtor, and then go to the builder. Don't go to the builder first, because then they don't let us intercede. Right, that's right. So so yeah, let's take you inside this house. I'm very excited for it, and we'll see you at the end.
that you've enjoyed this walkthrough. It's a gorgeous house. Highland Home again, great builder. Do you want to add anything?
Yeah, man, I love the upgrades that they did to this model home. Obviously, as you walk through it, you're gonna fall in love with the model home, right? But if you are thinking about maybe building this one from the ground up, or any Highland Homes, right? If you want to build from the ground up, there are a lot of things that are standard with the price, and there are a lot of things that are upgrades, right? So if you want more of a realistic maybe pricing, or a list of items that are going to be an upgrade charge to you as a buyer when you build a Highland Home, hey, give us a call, text us. We would love to connect with you. Our information is going to be up here. Obviously, there's a lot that it entails, right? When you build a house, I mean, you're talking about selections, colors. There's a lot that goes into it, right? Even the process of the actual build. We would love to walk you through that, and we've gone through it. Personally, we've gone through it with clients. Don't mind the noise there. We are in the brand new community, obviously, so a lot of construction going on. But we are standing right outside the backyard.
Yes, and it's not a bad sized yard. Again, this is a back entry garage.
Yeah.
I think the layout flows really, really well for a lot of different families. This particular one did have 4 bedrooms and a media room.
Right.
So it definitely has the flexibility for you to customize it as you need.
Right.
And again, you're getting the Prosper ISD without like the huge price tag. They're offering great incentives right now, guys. And if you reach out directly to us, there's other added benefits that you get by working directly with us.
That's right.
So make sure that you give us a call.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell if you haven't done so. It really does help us to continue to motivate us to do more videos like this for you guys. Again, Mosaic community. Reach out to us, guys. We would love to connect with you, and then we will see you next time. Bye.